Good morning, FitSet. How are you guys today? All right, so I'm just going to quickly share with you just how to work through what we've done. There was some confusion yesterday. Today, you are working on this and only this. This is the Justinian Theodora thing that we worked on in class where we analyzed the documents, and you completed that graphic organizer that's on the last page of this document that gives the topic sentence and the evidence. And we looked at this sentence, oops, it's going to adjust it, this sentence as the thesis statement. So what you're going to be doing today is that you are going to be writing that body paragraph. If you click on this, that's a screencast of me explaining the body paragraph and how to write the body paragraph. If you click on this here, this is the PowerPoint presentation on how to do, how to write it instead of watching the video, or the video goes also with the PowerPoint. You're going to title your document 1 Body Paragraph 5 Walters, and you're going to put it into the Google Drive folder that I shared with you. As you can see, everyone's Google Drive folder is in here, your class. What I can do is, and I'm going to show you, I could search within Global 3 and I could write 1 Body Paragraph, and nobody's done it because you guys haven't done it, but let me show you. If I write global expectations, it gives me PDFs and documents. There should be no PDFs in this Google Drive folder. It should only be Google Docs, okay? So these Google Docs here, like this is a copy of, you need to delete the copy of. It should just be global expectations. Oh, I went to the wrong set. Anyway, it's the same thing. It should just be global expectations 5 and your last name. Today, it should be 1 Body Paragraph 5 Walters. On top of that, after you have completed it, you're going to submit it into the Google Drive as a PDF, okay? I'm checking both right now just to make sure that you're doing work because some of you did not take attendance. You have to click on this to take attendance and it brings you to a Google Doc form. You have to get this done by 3 o'clock today so that I can send in that you did your attendance. This here, this assignment does not have to be due until Thursday the 19th at 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so you have 2 days to work on it. Give yourself breaks. If you have questions, email me. I have extra help from 3 to 4 today. If you need help with it, I could send you a WebEx or a Google Hangout or a Google Meetup, and I could meet with you. All right, any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Have a great day.